Hi everyone, this is Tanvi from Shipments.com. We are sitting with one of the industry pioneers, Gaurav Sethi from Intercont, and in this quick tidbit we want to discover why he has been one of our early adopters and what makes him so amazingly tech forward in this industry. Gaurav, please, thank you so much for being here with us and doing this super impromptu. We would really love to understand what goes on in that brilliant mind of yours and what makes you so much more different than any of the people that we have seen in terms of tech.
Thank you first for catching me off guard. And I think, what's really interesting is the age in which we are. I mean, I'm second generation. I have to take my traditional business forward. So it's all about how I can value add to my father's legacy. They call him, king, emperor, so on and so forth. So the prince has to have some value, otherwise he'll never go forward. So I think I'm in an age of on the digital side, so inclined towards technology. And I think my interactions with Karan have been, when he was developing or thinking of developing this system. So I think clarity of thought is important. Being able to, I believe in the KISS theory, which is keep it stupid and simple.
That's a very good new variation, folks.
So I think me and Karan, wavelength matched, for keeping things simple. I think forward thinking is important. The world speaks about data, predictions. I think it's about reactions, moving to predictions. AI is taking over. So I think what I really like about Shipments would be saying that I think you guys are thinking forward and making things simple, intuitive, responsive, and I think you've got a brilliant system. It's good design, it's simple to use, it's adaptive, so keep it up. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Gaurav, and we really appreciate that you have spent time with us. Folks, we will be very soon coming back to you with a longer, more strategic conversation with Gaurav and just take a sneak peek into his mind, what makes him so much better than anybody else that we have seen. Be in tune. Thanks.